As you may or may not know, most investment earnings in Canada are taxed when you withdraw them. However, there are 3 powerful ways to grow your money and take it out tax-free. These strategies can help you build wealth while legally avoiding taxes. The first one is a tax-free savings account, and here's how it works. First, you contribute after tax money, which means you don't get a tax deduction when you deposit it. But the investment growth, whether from interest, dividends, or capital gains, is completely tax-free. So when you withdraw money, you don't pay any taxes, whether it's your original contribution or investment earnings. Any amount you withdraw gets added back to your contribution room in the following year, so you can reinvest it. For example, if you invest $10,000 in a TFSA and it grows to $20,000, you can withdraw the full $20,000 without paying any taxes. The second tax-free investment is your principal residence exemption, selling your home tax-free. If you own a home and it's your primary residence, you don't have to pay taxes when you sell it, thanks to the principal residence exemption. So any increase in the value of your home is 100% tax-free when you sell it. This applies as long as the home was your primary residence for every year you owned it. But this payoff can take years. So if you bought a house for $300,000 and sold it 25 years later for $800,000, you keep the entire $500,000 profit without paying any taxes. The third way, and probably the fastest and best way to never pay taxes on your investments, is by holding a permanent life insurance policy, a tax-free and protected money strategy. This investment strategy is rarely spoken of, and yet it is the safest, fastest, and offers the most significant benefits compared to the previous 2, and here's why. Most people think that life insurance is just for when they pass away. But with permanent life insurance, such as whole life or universal life insurance, you can access money while you're living, tax-free and even protected from creditors. Here's how it works. Permanent life insurance provides lifelong coverage, as long as premiums are maintained. Some plans even offer the flexibility of eliminating premium payments altogether. Over time, it builds up cash value, like a savings account inside your policy. This cash grows tax-free, so there's no tax on the growth. But, if set up correctly, the policy's value can also generate income. For example, if you have a policy of $200,000, the policy can be invested in stocks, mutual funds, or ETFs to further grow your portfolio. Plus, it's 100% protected by the Canadian federal government. So even if your investments underperform, or worse, go to zero, your policy still holds its original value of $200,000. You're always protected, and in these uncertain times, safeguarding your investments is more important than ever. Now here is where it gets even better. If you need to access this money, there are 2 ways. You can withdraw it. Some policies allow you to take out cash. However, borrowing against it is the best way because you can take a loan from a bank using your policy's cash value as collateral, similar to a secured loan. And since it's a loan and not income, you don't pay taxes on the money you borrow. Now heaven forbid, if you pass away before paying back the loan, the insurance payout covers it, and your family still gets the rest tax-free. In Canada, if you name a specific beneficiary, such as a spouse, child, or parent, your insurance policy is protected from creditors. This means if you're a business owner or someone who might face legal claims, creditors can't touch your money inside the policy. When you pass away, the money goes directly to your beneficiary tax-free and bypasses probate, saving time and legal fees. A permanent life insurance policy is a win-win for you and your benefactors. TFSA is great, but you end up selling your investments. A principal residence is great, but you have to sell the asset. However, a permanent life insurance policy offers so much more. You access money tax-free, protected from creditors, and leave a tax-free inheritance, and no matter what, your investment never goes down. So, if you'd like to learn more about growing your wealth, reducing taxes, and securing your financial future for you and your loved ones, give us a call or text to schedule a free, 30-minute, no-obligation consultation at 647-693-5627. Take care, invest wisely, and thanks for watching.